Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RoseJayCreates and I am Rose, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for showing your support as always. I look forward to producing and kind of uploading more videos so you guys can kind of show support. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not leaving any comments, make sure you leave those comments. Leave a thumbs up as well. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way I'm notified every time a video is uploaded. Or, I'm sorry, that way you're notified every time a video is uploaded. I'm the one that's uploading the video. Haha. Anyways, it's nice to have you guys supporting me throughout these weeks and months. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure if you are watching videos and an ad pops up, please let those ads run. That's how I kind of make money off of the ads. Since I am being monetized now, it just kind of helps me with income, being laid off work. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk about being laid off work, but I am laid off work, and so I use YouTube as another source of income. So again, guys, thank you so much for showing your support. And as always, check me out on Instagram, RoseJayCreates, and then I also have an Etsy channel as well, RoseJayCreates. I have a few items on there, about 10 items, and so they are for sale. So please reach out, show your support, whatever way you can. And again, guys, thank you for tuning in to RoseJayCreates. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to make you guys, or show you guys how I am going to make one of my resin jewelry boxes. And right now I've already mixed my resin. I'm going to add some of my brown alcohol ink, and you can add as many drops as needed. I sort of added about 4 drops to it. Sometimes I kind of play around with the color to see how dark or light I want to go, but whenever you're pouring alcohol ink, you always want to start light before you go too heavy. And right now I am reinforcing my sides because I accidentally poured it without putting my sides on there. And the sides kind of help it from bulging out. And then right now I am adding some holographic paper. You can get this anywhere from any craft store. Even the dollar store carries it. You don't even have to use the holographic paper. I just wanted to use it to sort of give it a different effect. And all I'm doing is just kind of using my wooden stick just to kind of push it down, make sure it's not sticking up. And I'm just going to make sure all the surfaces, the sides and the top, are reinforced with my holographic paper. So right now I am just going to kind of continue to make sure all the sides are covered with it, and then I'm going to place some on the top as well. And guys, if you are not thumbing up this video, please hit the thumbs up button right now. And hopefully you guys are subscribed to my channel and you're liking what you see so far. And if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell so that way whenever I upload videos, you will be notified. I will try, my goal was to try to do videos weekly. It just depends on my supplies and how long it takes for my orders to get in. Sometimes it takes 2 weeks, but I try to upload a video at least once a week. And so right now all I'm doing is just pouring whatever excess resin I have on top of my holographic paper and just making sure it is completely submerged. It's looking really, really good. I can't wait until I turn it out and you guys get to see it. And all I'm going to do is just add some more glitter flakes to kind of reinforce the sparkle. It's looking really, really pretty. Wait till you guys see it when it's finished. And then this is the top part of my jewelry box. I'm going to do the exact same like I did with the bottom. I'm going to add my resin. And right now I'm just going to pour a little bit because I'm going to add the holographic paper to this as well. But I want to make sure that there are no air bubbles. So right now I'm just pouring a small base layer. Because if I put the cellophane paper in there and then pour the resin on top, air bubbles will sort of come to the top. So right now I'm just making sure it's enough at the bottom. And the resin will act as a glue. I like working with brown. I seem to work with it a lot ever since my sister had me make her a jewelry tray, a brown jewelry tray. Brown has sort of been my favorite go-to color now. So I've been doing a lot of projects in brown. But what I'm doing right now is just adding my holographic paper. And the resin that I've added at the bottom is just acting as a glue. And it'll keep it from rising up or producing any air bubbles. And I am going to do the exact same thing to this one that I did to the other one. I am just going to add some more of my glitter flakes. And then I am going to top this off with the rest of my brown resin. And it's interesting, even though this is brown, when I pull it out because of the holographic paper, it'll have like a bluish tint to it. Now this one, this mold, this is a bangle bracelet mold. And I am going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pour my brown resin inside of this and then add my holographic paper. And I'm going to try to make sure that even though this mold is sort of at an angle, it's very difficult just to make sure that the paper isn't all the way at the bottom. So I'm going to make sure it's completely submerged because otherwise this will produce air bubbles really quick. So this is the top of the jewelry box. It's been 24 hours and it has completely cured. And all I'm doing is just sort of picking off any excess sides, any resin that may have attached to the sides. And it looks really, really pretty. What do you guys think? I see that big old air bubble that I missed. That's what I was trying to avoid, but that's fine. It'll be on the bottom part. And then this is my bangle bracelet mold. This is the mold that I use to make jewelry out of. But this time I decided I wanted to make the bangle into a handle. And so all I'm trying to do is just pull it out of my mold. And see, it is a bangle. It's a real bangle bracelet mold. And as you can see the holographic paper, the way it sparkles. I like the way it sparkles on the inside. And I'm going to trim the sides of it up. I've already trimmed the sides of it up. And then right now I am adding some glue. This is E6000. I'm out of my Gorilla Glue. And so E6000 works just as well. And so I'm attaching my E6000 to the edge of my bangle bracelet mold. And then I am just going to attach it to the top and make me a makeshift handle. I like using my different silicone molds and morphing them into other projects. And so this was a bangle bracelet and I decided to make it out of a handle for my jewelry box. And guys, if you have not thumbs up this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave comments. Hopefully you're leaving comments. And I would love it if you watch this video completely all the way through. Any of my other videos. My goal is to try to post a video once a week. And so this is the jewelry box. I am unmolding this. What do you guys think so far? You like it? I see a lot of the glitter went to the bottom. So when you pull it out, you can see a lot of the glitter on the rim of the jewelry box. And these are the little stickers that I got from the dollar store. And I thought that they would make great little lockets for my jewelry box. And all I'm going to do is just sort of find the center and then just sort of play around with it. And I chose pink. I thought it would be great with this. So guys, what do you think so far? This is my brown jewelry box. Hopefully you guys are liking this video and leaving some really great comments. I would love to get your comments and get your feedback. Let me know what you guys think. So this was my brown one, and then I wanted you guys to see the other one that I made. This is the blue one that I made. And I did the exact same thing. I used my holographic paper, and I used glitter, and then I put my sticker locket on the front of it. And for the top part of this was actually a jewelry box top that I decided to make it out of a lid. So guys, I really hope that you liked this video. I really had a fun time making it. Make sure you guys are thumbing up this video and leaving comments. And let me know what you guys think. And as always, thank you for tuning into my channel. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.